Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Code for You. In today's video we are going to see how to install Ubuntu in the VirtualBox. To install the Ubuntu in your VirtualBox, firstly you need to download the Ubuntu. So in your browser type download Ubuntu, and after typing this, so please go to the first link, download Ubuntu desktop. Here I am using the Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS for this video. So in here you can download the Ubuntu LTS. So click on this button. So after this, this will going to start the Ubuntu ISO file. So I have already the file. So I will just cancel this. So after downloading that, you go to your VirtualBox and click on the new button. So here on the clicking on the new button, we need to give a name to the virtual machine. Like I am giving the Ubuntu OS. So here we can also select the ISO image from here. Like you can just pick here the other from the others, you can select the ISO file. So I will show you another way. Like if you have not selected the ISO image like here, so you can also select after the creation of this virtual machine setup. So I will just click on the next button. So I will give a base memory. So I will just give it 4 GB, and I will give the processor to 4. So I will click on the next button. So here we can give the space to the virtual machine, like how much it can use. So I will give the 30 GB and click on the next button. And after finishing this one, so we have created the Ubuntu OS setup here. So after this one, just click right click here and go to the setting to select the ISO file. So to select the file, we need to go to the storage, and in the storage, I will click on the empty, and here on the blue part here. So I will just click here and choose a disk file. So I have this Ubuntu ISO file in my download folder. So I will just click on this and click on the OK button. So after that, I will also giving one also I will do also one setting here in the display. So currently is just have 16 MB RAM. So I will just give it to 128, and I will click on the OK button. So after that, just double click on this one. So it will start booting the Ubuntu OS. So just enter here on try and install Ubuntu. So after the Ubuntu is booted, so we will configure the Ubuntu. So there is one error coming here. So this is regarding error VM UGFX seems to be running on an unsupported hypervisor. Okay. So to fix this error, firstly we need to click on the close button and just power off the machine here. So to fix this one, just right click here and select the settings. So here we need to update the hmm. In the display we need to update the graphic controller. So currently it is selected VMSVGA. So I will change this to the VBox VGA. So just select this one and click on the OK button. So now we are again booting this. So now if I am clicking on try and install, now it is booting properly the Ubuntu. So after the Ubuntu is booted here, so we will start installing the Ubuntu in our virtual machine. So we will just getting a screen of welcome to Ubuntu here. So preparing Ubuntu. So I will just close this. And now here we can see the first in the left corner, we can see here the installation. So I will just double click here. So I think it is that screen which will show us the installation part. So here you guys select your language, like I'm selecting here the English, and just click on the next button. So just select the English version which you want to use. I am just selecting English US. So clicking on the next button. So currently I will not just you can you also use here the wired connection, or if you doesn't want to use that, just click on the do not connect to the internet. So I will use just currently a wired connection. So click on the next button. Update to latest for improvement reliable. Just skip this part. So here we can see there is one part. How would you like to install Ubuntu? There is two options we have. Like first is interactive installation for user who want to guide step by step through the installation, and second one is automated installation for advanced user who have auto install YAML for consistent and repeated system setups. So I will just, if you are just a beginner, I will recommend you to use the first one. So just click on the next button, and we will use the extend selection just to get the office like LibreOffice and other tools. So I will click on the next button. Uh, Currently, if you want to install these, so you can check this one, like install third party software for graphic and Wi-Fi, and we can also install the download and install support for additional media files. So I will just select these both and click on the next button. So if you are using the wired connection, then only select these part, because this one will download these things. So then click on the next button. So I will just select the first option, like erase disk and install Ubuntu. So you can also use the manual part. In the manual part, let's just see what is we are getting. In the manual part, you need to you can select the things like swap memory and other things, but uh, for the beginner I will just recommend you to select the first option, erase disk and install Ubuntu, because this is, we are just installing in the VirtualBox. So click the erase disk and install Ubuntu and click on the next button. So just now you need to create an account for the Ubuntu to log in the system. So pick a name here, like I am picking here learn code, and I will pick a password. So pick the same password here also. So just tick the required my password to login. If you want to uh, when on the boot this virtual machine, this will ask you to the for the password. If you are just tick this one, so after that just click on the next button. So pick your time zone which you want to use. Currently I'm picking the Mumbai, Asia, Kolkata. So I will click on the next button. So this will show what are the partitions, like SD1 created and Excel, and second is SDA2. So just click on the next button, like on the installation button, and click on install. So now we are started the installation part. Now you don't need to do anything here. Just Ubuntu will install as per we have configured the things here. So Ubuntu here install the system of Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS version. So I will skip this part and will show you after the after that part when the Ubuntu is installed, because this will take a long time. So I will just meet you on that part after the Ubuntu is installed to guide you after that. So after installing the Ubuntu, so we can see there is one message showing here. Please remove the installation medium and then press enter. So to do that, we need to go to the virtual machine here, and we need to remove the storage festival. Like from here, you can remove that. Ubuntu 24.0.4 or something version is showing here. So you just need to remove disk from the virtual drive. So you can do that and remove the disk. So after that, just click enter here. So now you need to start the Ubuntu OS here. Just double click here. Now the Ubuntu is start. Uh, it is in 0%. So yeah, it is just starting. Now guys, we have successfully booted the Ubuntu. So let's just enter our password here. So now you can see here we have see the home screen of the Ubuntu. So you can do the things which you want to do in the Linux. So if you want any further videos on the Ubuntu, so please tell me in the comment section. So I will give you tutorial regarding the Linux if you want. So I will meet you in the next video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I hope you have understand how to install the Ubuntu. So I will meet you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.